Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. You know, I wasn't planning on doing a Ripple video today, but we're going to do it. I want to show you guys the entry here that was triggered over here on October 24th, and then let you guys know the new buy limit for this trade is a little bit lower than where we're currently sitting at for the entry here, so make sure you guys watch that. But we're going to go over analysis today because some very interesting things are happening on XRP. Long trades, guys, are accumulating like crazy. Okay, it's been happening over the last few weeks here. I want to show that to you guys. Could that be a precursor where XRP is going to break out of this descending support line here and actually hit structure highs here? Could we actually be seeing a 125 price before maybe the end of the month? That's very, very aggressive. I want to put that out there. But is it possible? I'll show you guys evidence of that. So first, guys, if you did not see the update, we just went 67 for 67 wins on this channel. This is actually a call on XRP, which was this coin right here. So I'm going to go over this for you guys. Previously, before this, we ended up going, obviously, 66 for 66, which was over here on Ethereum. We did a really quick exit here, but we're still riding that up. And that thing, if Ethereum just wants to keep going up, guys, we're going to keep riding this up for as high as it wants to go. So let's dive in today to XRP. So 67 for 67 wins. We haven't lost a trade yet. In the second half of this video, I will show you guys how to get into these trade setups so you don't miss another one. I promise that to you guys, okay? Let's go over the analysis. This entry was taken over here on October 24th. You guys can see that right here. The first buy limit was hit. This was for $1.06. Okay, I'm very meticulous about where I put my buy limits in here. We trade with 4 of them every single time. There's never a trade that we take unless we have 4 buy limits on the chart. This is how we have very good risk management. This is how we have not lost a trade combined with the indicators here. Now, take a look down here with me at the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion. What's happening with the well money flow? Are we at top prices? No, the answer is absolutely not. Sorry, that wasn't a trick question. Is the trend exhaustion very high? No, it's not super high, but we did end up pushing up into this first red zone, giving us a precursor. This is like a stoplight where it's like, you know, call it green and I know it's going to confuse people. Let's just call this orange and red, okay? Caution, okay, we're red, we're looking for a drop. Caution, red, we're looking for a bounce back up. When we watch this in the market, follow me here, guys. This is going to give us a play into today's analysis. When you have this indicator on your charts, this is telling you guys, hey, watch out for drops back down in the market. When you get up into these top sections here, it says, hey, do not FOMO into, it didn't call the top up here. It did not. What it did is it called this move over here with these 3 candles. It said, do not FOMO in. Do not get into this. Wait for the drop back down. I've told you guys in this last video, we've won 16 trades within this one single solid move right here. Most of the currencies have gone up or sideways, but we've won 16 trades in a row. Okay, come over into the future here. What's happening over here? The trend exhaustion is getting closer to the higher points in here. But what are we seeing? We're actually seeing a form of divergence form on the charts here, where we actually see the well money flow moving downwards as well as the trend exhaustion moving downwards. This is how you guys can predict very fast moves in the market. Okay, let me say this again because I know some of you guys aren't understanding here. When you guys see a high and another higher high printed on price action, which is candles, and you come down and you simply look at the flow of money moving out of the market here, and you also see the trend exhaustion moving down, this is a huge sign that we're due for a drop and big drops in the market. That's exactly what happened. This is how I call drops in the market, guys, and we've been very, very good at calling these. We called this one over here. We definitely called this one here and this one as well because we got picked up on all of our buy limits and we won 16 trades. That's why I was able to call this, get into trades, and win them. Okay, when we start pushing back down to the top, to the bottom red zone, not the top, to the bottom, the price is literally stopping for our indicator and it is moving back up here. If we didn't have this on the chart here, it'd be like, okay, why are we stopping here? There's a way that I coded this with literally thousands of hours of coding experience and teaching you guys. I coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers. You guys need to know in here that this indicator is ridiculously accurate. You combine this with the flow of money in here and you get the flow of money at bottom sections as well as the trend exhaustion. This is when we're heading back up. Okay, I'm pulling this all together here. It's going to make sense in a second. Well money flow at the bottom, trend exhaustion at the bottom. Price could not go down any further. The only thing we could do is what, guys? We consolidated and then we moved back up. Price did not drop. We saw this happen over here. We saw a little bit of a move down here, but this created divergence on the chart and then we started seeing the fast move up. Where are we currently at? We are currently on this indicator at the top section of here, closer to the top red zone for the trend exhaustion, which is why I believe we're seeing a move back down. Also, we have hit our descending resistance line, which we have touches up here, moving this all the way back down. We have a contender, however. It is the ascending support line in here, which is creating a lot of pressure in the market around this area here where we could be seeing something happening. I want to go over the metrics now to show this to you guys. But first, guys, make sure you're getting the price versus the well money flow and trend exhaustion on your charts. This indicator goes up in 5 days. You have 5 days left, and I'm upping the prices of these indicators. Excuse me. This price per swell money flow is going up in 5 days. I'm also up in the trend exhaustion before the end of the year, so make sure you guys get that. I'll show you how to do that on the second half of this video. Watch the metrics right now. It's over under the indicators tab if you guys want to snag those. But I want to show this to you guys over here on XRP. These indicators and metrics are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is literally in about 15 minutes here. Watch this, guys. When you start seeing anxiousness enter into the market for any cryptocurrency, this is when I get the most excited on this channel. The reason for this is because this is where your retail traders are going to look to sell in the market because they are scared. They are selling this market, they're selling this market, okay? What we are doing is we are buying all of the anxiety and the fear of all the retail traders. How do I prove this? Because we did not buy into the excitedness and the greediness of retail traders when they thought we were going up here, going to the moon. You know, whenever that's supposed to happen, which is not going to happen, everything will retrace back down. What we are doing on this channel is we are being extremely patient, okay? Follow me here. We're being patient for the moves back down. We are getting into these entries here. We are calling exits and we're making profits. Guys, if XRP, let me show you this next metric, we could see this break a retest and we could see XRP take off here. Not to the moon, we could just take off. If that happens, I'm gonna move this buy limit up for us and we're gonna trail this thing up for as high as it wants to go. And this could be a very nice winning trade. If this thing starts moving up to this structure here, we're at 9%. This structure over here, we're at 11%. If we can break past structure high over here, we're going to do about 15% on this trade. Okay, I'll show you how to get into the next XRP trade so you do not miss anything on this. So just follow me here. Here's what you guys need to be watching for. Look at this. We have price action moving in a downward fashion in this channel here. It's a descending channel. But what we're seeing on the blockchain metrics is that long trades are clearly increasing. What does this say, guys? It says the accumulation is happening for long trades. You want to know even a better sign for XRP to go up is that there's no competition for short trades. Like, look at this. Short trades are clearly moving out of the market here. Like, let me show you something over here. Like, let me just pick something else. Let's just pick Bitcoin for an example. Let me see if I can give you guys an example. Nope, that's not it. Let's do another one. I want to show you guys where short trades, like here's an example. Look at Ethereum. Short trades are increasing right now, putting pressure on all long trades, and we're seeing moves down back down to Ethereum. With VET in here, excuse me, XRP, what we're seeing here is not a competition of short trades to long trades at the moment. Make sure you watch this week because if this is going to put bearish pressure on XRP, short trades are going to have to increase, which will put bearish pressure here. But there has been such a ridiculous accumulation of long trades, and we are absolutely in this group as well, following on this channel. We have one of the lowest prices out here, probably for people in the crypto sphere that ended up trading from this date. We ended up getting down here at 106. I was patient for this move down, and we got triggered in. Great. We're going to be patient again. And we're not going to exit 100% here. I'm going to let this fluctuate a little bit. And if we break out here, we could really see some nice profits. But there is more of a sign here that people are expecting this to go up simply with the accumulation of long trades. All right, let's keep moving down here. Taking a look at long versus short trade risk. We have been pushing down into the good long trade section here. What does this tell you? It says it simply means we're not in a good short trade section, that's for sure. We are in a good long trade section. So when you guys see this, this is when we are usually in trades. Bingo, we're in a trade, we're making money, we're managing it right now. Now look down here, guys. What have the whales and institutions been doing? Not only have we seen a blockchain metrics come out here and show us that long trades are increasing, but we're also seeing the whales and institutions acquire majority long trades in the market. You want to know when they acquired short trades? It was actually on this move down right here, and they made a ridiculous amount of money shorting the market, okay? They are so smart. Follow this metric, guys. If you literally just follow this metric and you just understand how this works, it's literally like, okay, here's short trades on the bottom, here's long trades on the top. This will help you guys stay on the right side of the market. What has been happening recently? Accumulation of long trades. That's obvious. What are we doing? We are accumulating our long trades. You guys, if you trade the system with us, you will be trading with whales, institutions, and smart money. I promise you. Like, it's very clear that this is not derogatory, by the way. Dumb money buys high and it sells low. We are always buying low and we're selling high. How do I promise you guys that? Because you always use buy limits with our strategy, and you cannot place a buy limit unless you get underneath the current price. Okay? I hope that triggered a light bulb for some of you guys. Some of you guys are going to be like, oh my gosh, I've been losing trades for my whole life, and I'm finally going to start winning trades because I understand what this guy's doing, and he's not losing trades in here. Real quick, guys, I know this is an intermission. Give me a second. I want to give you guys confidence in here. Like, look at this guy in here. This is guy, I'll make this fast, I promise. But there's this guy in here Like, look at this. I'm now 8 for 8 wins this last week since I started following my portfolio. Portfolio is growing nicely. 8 for 8 trades. This guy in here, I love this how this guy said this in here. He said, I've done 5 trades in a row now, all in the profit. For the first time, I'm doing successful trades in a row. That's what some of you guys are experiencing right now. And you're like, man, why can I never win trades in the market? Or what I'll do is I'll go on a winning streak and I'll win 3 or 4 and then I'll lose my 5th one and I'll lose a ton of money. Guys, we have not lost a single trade and we have won 67 trades in a row. 67. Like, I'm going to try to go for 100 by the end of the year, and that'll be like a crazy record here. The reason how we're doing this is good risk management, ridiculously good indicators, which you guys need to be picking up, as well as metrics. Okay, follow me here, and I'll go over how to get this set up in the second half of the video so you don't miss the next trade. Okay, quickly, where's the support, guys? It's very close down here. It's at $1, basically $1.10. Let's look at $1.10 for XRP. $1 is down here. $1.10 is right about this level. Sorry, guys, let me come over here. My apologies. It's over here at $1.01. I'm sorry. $1.01 down here is where I'm seeing. It's basically at $1. A lot of structures are forming over here. We have red, red, green, green, and green. $1. Obviously, that's a whole numbers down here. This is where we can possibly head to. But before we get there, we are going to have to break through the ascending support line here. And so this is a great place to be in this long trade, guys. I'm telling you, the best thing to do right now is to set up the long trade that I'll show you guys in a second here. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys got into any of these, you are doing very well because this channel came out about April-ish. I started in March, but I didn't actually come out with these metrics until probably about June or so. Everybody who has followed us on this channel, you guys are obviously in profit here because we started this, I opened these metrics to the public right around this area and you guys are in the profit here. So great job. What this is doing is if you have $1,000, you want to throw $100 in or 10,000, you want to throw $1,000 in and just hold for 5 to 10 years, great places to do so because this is where you guys are going to get low prices. Now move down here to exit points. This is telling us where we're expecting to see possible drops back down in the market. Now, is it going to call the tops every time? No, and it doesn't need to. It's not the point of it. You guys want to call the tops and the bottoms? Get the price for small money flow and the trend exhaustion. I've already proven that to you. What this does in here is it gives us another backup metric to say, okay, now that we're in a long trade, maybe we should be looking to take some profit here on the way up. Maybe a 25 or 50% profit just in case we see the market move back down very fast. That is what this is for, okay? Let me wrap this all up together. Here's how you guys get into the next trade setup so you do not miss another trade. The membership is ridiculously cheap. It's $49 a month, and yes, I'm looking to up the price of this, so make sure you guys get in here. I will grandfather everyone in at $49 a month if and when I up the price of this, okay? I'm still talking to the team about this, but you guys will get grandfathered in. What does grandfather mean? It simply means if you guys get in at $49 and I up this to, let's say $75, $80, $100, $200, doesn't matter, you guys will stay at $49. Okay, I don't know another membership doing this online. Anyways, get that. It will unlock the entire website for metrics of these top 10 coins. Here's what you guys need to be doing today. This is not financial advice, so I want to keep this clear. Go to the live trades tabs and set up any of these coins that you guys want. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, Ripple, Solana, VeChain, Polygon, all of these in here. We have 2 more over here just so you guys can see this real quick because I want to get you guys this data, Polkadot and Link. Here's what you're going to do. XRP right now. I know where the buy limit is set and we're getting pretty close to this if we drop back down. Here's what you're going to do. Open all of our charts. They're going to update, and this morning, it will literally say 10/26/2021, and I've updated this metric here to just say updated forward with the date, because some people were thinking these were buy limits in here. This is just a timestamp hard-coded into the actual exchange, so this can't be faked in here. Literally, when this says the day's date, it is an absolute official update that all of these lines have been updated for that specific day. So literally in about 5 minutes here, obviously you'll get this video later, because it's got to have rendering time. But when you guys get this, you guys will see this come out. What you're going to do is click into any of our cryptocurrencies, any of them. You're going to see right now this morning 4 yellow lines below the current price of the crypto. You're going to take your trade allocation, let's say it's $1,000, and split it into 25% increments to give us really good dollar cost average risk management. 1,000 divided by 4, which is 25% increments, is what, guys? It is 250. So 250, 250, 250, 250. Here are your buy limit prices over here. It's very bright. It's in yellow with black background. You cannot miss it. Those are your buy limit prices. Be patient for the price to come down and hit this. And then what you guys want to be doing is looking to sell up here with a sell limit. Now, once you guys are in your buy limits and you hit your first one, keep your buy limits where they're at, and then follow me down here on the Telegram channel. This is what you guys need to do. Log into Telegram on your computer or your phone first, log into the website, click the hot link over here, and it will add you into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits and I'm giving you guys trade updates. All right? Make sure you guys are looking at the FAQ before you message me. Not that I don't want to answer you guys. That's not at all. Just you guys will actually have all of your answers answered super fast over here because 99% of all of our questions I just put over here. Do you use leverage? Are the indicators a one-time purchase? Yes, they are. How do you access, buy limits? What do you do over here? Do they work on cryptos and stocks and Forex? Yes. The last thing you guys need to do, besides getting your membership, setting up your buy limits, is getting the indicators. The price versus the well money flow, guys, you have 5 days left. I'm upping the price in 5 days. Trend dashboard is going to be going up before the end of the year. The trend dashboard is also going to be, the trend exhaustion is going up. These are the indicators you guys need on your charts. If you guys want, just saying this to you guys, if you want the best deal possible, just get the bundle pack. It's 81% off right now, and you guys will see this on the website, and I'll give you proof of that. When you click this link, you'll see I actually calculate all of the prices in here on the discount of what you guys actually purchased them for, not the original. And off the discount, we are 81% off. It's insane. Yes, I could show you guys that we're like even more if I use the original prices, but I use what you guys can actually buy it right now with the coupon. So if you guys buy any of these individual ones, use the coupon code SAVE MONEY at checkout, and it'll literally save you guys over $100 because they're like $250 a piece, and you guys you'll save far more than that. So at minimum, guys, get the bundle pack. Best thing, trend exhaustion, the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard is what you guys want because you guys will be able to follow me over here. And I am using these indicators to call exits over here in the market. So make sure you guys are watching this because when I come in here and I tell you guys the trend exhaustion isn't that high, I'm giving a reference to this so you guys can watch the coin with the actual indicator over here so you guys can see what I'm doing. So that's it, guys. God bless you so much. I hope you have a really, really good day. Get the indicators, set them up, watch the next trade setups over here when we get to the top section, watch for the drop. If we get down to the bottom, watch for the pop. Make sure you guys are following the Telegram channel for this and get your buy limit set up for XRP so you do not miss that. If this keeps going up here, we're going to move the stop loss. I'll make this call in Telegram, and we're just going to keep riding this up, guys, and we'll all make money together. Congrats, guys. I hope you're having a really good week. We are on Tuesdays. We're going to go all the way to Friday, but guys, we're going to try to go 70 for 70 winning trades before the month of October is over, and we'll see what we can do. Anyways, we have not lost a trade yet. Get the indicators in the description as well as the membership. They're both going up in price soon, so make sure you guys get those, okay? Just letting you guys know. And I'll let you guys know when everything is officially going up for the membership. I want to make myself clear there. I'm sorry, I don't have an exact date of when this is going up, okay? I do not, because I'm assessing a few things. My goal here, you guys can end the video right now if you want. That's totally fine. I'm just going to put this for those of you guys who want to listen to this. Here's my thing. I'm looking to up this because I need more help with the business. We are growing so fast that, and please don't take this as arrogance, but I don't know another YouTube channel who has won 67 for 67 wins. I don't think it's been done before. And so with that, we are growing incredibly fast here. So I'm needing to look to hire more help. In order to hire more help, I need to simply just up the amount of money I have so I can hire more people on. That is the objective of upping this here. So as we're growing here, that's my thinking behind it. What I'm trying to do with the business is keep this as low as possible for as long as possible so retail traders can get in here. Yes, we have we have an incredible amount of millionaires with trading over $1 million of crypto. Some over $5-6 million are trading our strategy, and they're only paying $49 a month. So, and then we have people in here who are trading with, $1,000 a month who are brand new to trading. And I love that all of us can actually be in the same group, and you are literally trading with I'm serious, guys. I know who they are, and I'm not going to mention them on this channel. Huge whales, people that if I named you and you Googled them, you'd be like, yeah, that's a famous person. Literally, I coach some people like that. Even celebrities I have actually coached on this channel that are literally taking these trades over here. The point of this is that I want to keep this low for the majority of people so you guys can get in. I know I could trade, $400 to $500 a month for this. I'm keeping it low so I can keep you guys, just motivated. I want to help more people. That's just my heart. That's where I'm at. So I'm in this video now because it's already long enough. So make sure you guys do get your membership, get the buy limits set up for all of your trades in here. And then last but not least, make sure you guys definitely get the indicators, and the bundle pack will be the best. It will just save you guys the most money because I'm going to up the prices of these while this stays the same here, and you guys will get appreciating value. So I just want to point that out to you guys. All right, guys, God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Everyone in this trade, you guys are currently up 3.70%. Let's see what happens here. I'll update you guys in Telegram. Let's see if we can go 70 for 70. I'll see you guys later. Everything you need is in the description. All right, guys, God bless you. See you later. Bye-bye.